Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. Welcome to Zisodel TV, where you can get your latest news as it breaks. Breaking news, yes, and events happenings totally.
Senior colleague. So we thank God that she's here to pay a solidarity visit and for us to have talks on the way to move our nation forward. And I appreciate her visit this afternoon. So I want to also thank her for all the support and the tips she's always given over time. So thank you so much, Your Excellency, and thank you for this visit.
A woman I know for a long time. We started as a governor's wife. You were my senior by then. But we joined the race, you were my senior. And then we learned from you people. I am not surprised that you are here because you are one of the women that I look forward to make Nigerian women proud. I have come here to encourage you, to support you, because we are one country and our country must move forward and for the country to be better because it's our country. We have no other country than Nigeria. We have no other place to go. We must support you. We must support you to make sure you achieve what you are here for. And when you achieve, we have achieved. So the Nigeria must move forward. And I use this opportunity also to lead to the women of this country, because I know that my sister can carry the women along. She carried the women along when she was a governor's wife. So when she's a first lady, the sky will be her limits. She will carry us along and she will move us forward. We Nigerian women, we should come out in mass and support this government and support her. The sky will be our limits. May God bless you, my sister. Thank you for moving us, we Nigerian women, forward. I came in and I saw the women. I was proud of it. Thank God for carrying us along. And I am here for you. Thank you, and God bless us all.